Box of goodies. Box of goodies. Goodies. Kawaii toy box. Check them out. They got the good stuff. Oh yeah. See what we got. Oh yeah. Ribeye steak potato chips, Lay's. That looks good, doesn't it? Yeah. Looks good. Barbecue skewer, Lay's. Hey, you want to take a trip? You want to take a trip? You want to take a trip to Crockpot City, huh? Oh yeah, I got all the goodies. And these right here. Oh man, these gonna be good. These gonna be good. These are Chips Ahoy Bros. I got 2 boxes of these. Yes. And these here. Oh man, these gonna be good too. Oreo Peach Blossom. Yeah. Doritos, hot and spicy. Look at that. Yeah, you're not getting any. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These gonna be good too. These look real good. Mango sorbet. That big old fat piece of bread. That is a mango bursting bread. Oh yeah. Look at that. Pizza Lovers Barbecue Pringles. Oh yeah. Let's see what else is in here. Oh yeah. The black pink Oreo. I got 2 of these. Yeah, it's supposed to be tastes like blueberry ice cream, but we're gonna find out. Here's another one. Black pink Oreo. No, it's not goose flavor. Choco tube. Oh yeah. Probably gonna eat this tonight. Yeah. Blind box pen. Sanrio edition. Yeah. The card they sent me. Who does that? Who handwrites a note? Yeah, and these. Oh man, these are gonna be good. Looking on the list, make sure I got it right. What it is? Yep, Oreo Sakura Rose. Yes, those are gonna be good. And here's Sanrio Easter. All the goodies. See if I can get this open one-handed. Oh man, look at that. Oh, look at that. All them goodies. Look at that. What is that? What is that? Yeah, none for you. Yes. Yes. That it. All the goodies. All right. I got a mystery box, but I'm going to save that for part 2. I'm going to end this so I can put it up right now.